Okay, with this video, I'll show you how I've been able to sign up 16 people into Save Club, not only as members, but as an affiliate too. Okay, because that's your goal, right? I'm sure happy I'm an affiliate because it has made me about $1,000 per week cash. I've saved over $900 just on the savings part with the membership. And on top of that, with this new funnel, guys, I've made over $1,200 in 3 weeks, and this is money that is recurring. Let alone, boom, just leave that Save Club thing alone. Another $1,200 month after month, and it's going to grow because it's recurring. Okay, I just want to show you everything that I'm doing. Okay, so let me just shrink up here, boom. Okay, now, if you have not joined Save Club, go to the official link, joinsaveclub.org. Okay, go there, fill this out. But watch this video too. It's 6 minutes. It's our founder. It's Charles. He's going to chat with you for a couple minutes on a YouTube video. Fill this information right here. Hit that orange button, and then you're going to get a Save Club email. Go ahead and open it up, and you can join. And if you don't want to join, you're going to get information 1 email a day, and you can unsubscribe. But save the emails if you're going to join. They're super informative, and they are awesome. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, here we go, guys. joinsaveclub.org. Now, if you've already joined Save Club and you're stuck, you didn't join a team, you joined just a person and they don't even contact you, I want you to join my team. We have 2 teams. We have the most people in it. We dominate the leaderboard. Okay, we have brand new pictures and videos every Monday. We add them right in there. So that way, if you don't want to do a video like this, like a little chit chat with a webcam, don't worry about it. And if you don't know how to do pictures or banners or animated things that you can put on, well, let's say TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, also don't worry about it. We got you covered, okay? We're going to give you everything included with the $60 to be an affiliate. You got to be a member for $19.97, okay? Boom, and that's it. So let me show you the link to the funnel. This is what is saving everyone's butt right now, and this is how I've been able to sign up 16 people. SaveClubFunnels.com, $25. It is so worth $25 because now you're joining a team. I'm going to send you a private invite only opportunity to where you're going to go and join, and that way you're with other people that might not have experience. Or if you have 100 questions, don't worry about it. Go in there and ask. 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. SaveClubFunnels.com. Now, this is what it looks like. There it is. Let me put let's see, let's all rock. Okay, you want to rock with me? Like a Michael Jackson song, what is that, rock with you? All right, I want you to rock with me here. So, let me show you one more time. Make things easy. SaveClubFunnels.com. This is where you're going to go, this exact page. And remember, this exact funnel system I'm showing you is yours too for $25. I put in the email, I hit that yellow button. Now, this is the 20-minute video that over-explains Save Club. You don't have to. It shows you how to use the app, how to just show your phone and get a savings at a restaurant. Okay, it talks about the membership of $19.97 a month, $60 one-time fee. But this page right here kicks butt. And see right underneath, if you have not joined Save Club, don't worry about it because look, it goes right to the page that I just showed you where you can see Charles talk for 6 minutes, and then you can fill this out. But all the funnel is, it's a nice video that's before where people can either delete or sign up. And underneath the video, join Save Club. Let's go over the fee one more time. $60 to be an affiliate. $19.97. So $79.97. Okay, now if you want the funnel, and if you've already joined Save Club, you don't have to quit and rejoin. You don't have to be in my team. I'm going to help you. Here's the funnel. Get new funnel. Now hit that red button, and you can see we take Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. It's $25. And if you love it, use it every month. And if you don't like it, then you know what? You gave it a shot. But right now, remember, you're going to get a ton of social media material done for you. Videos for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. And when you join, believe it or not, you're going to have a ton more. Oh, let me just show. Oh, wait, this is, okay, this is live right now. I just want to show you. Okay, see where you hit the statistics. Now look at this. Look, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Look, I got 16 or 17 people that have signed up. And I use the funnel now exclusively. It's awesome. I think that you're going to have more success using the funnel. All it is a video before what you're already using. You need a video that explains things for 20 minutes because not everyone's going to do a video like I'm doing right now. Sure, there's a few that do, and guess what? We're probably on the leaderboard. But if you're shy, or you don't like your voice, or you just don't want to do video, okay, then use the funnel. And guess what? When you use the funnel, you can also have paid traffic go to it. That's right, paid traffic. That's where you can go and pay for leads, pay for clicks. Make sure you use a good source. But guess what? When you sign up for the funnel system, even if you have bad leads, and if they're, let's say, spam or bots, little robots, the funnel system can weed them out. And you're not going to violate policies or do anything to the servers with Save Club. Because some people, they don't want to do video like this, and that might be you. You have an extra $50, $100, let's say hundreds of bucks, and you want to just have people go directly to your link, and I recommend sending them to the funnel instead of just the normal funnel that comes with Save Club. They're both good. I'm telling you straight up, I've signed up, I think, 100. I forgot what I'm at right now. Let me see here. Let's see. Where am I? Leaderboard. Okay, here we go, guys. This is live. Let's see. I've got it. Okay, I'm number 7 right now. I have 102. I have no doubt over the next 30 days, I'm going to sign up another 15 to 30 people. So I'm going to be probably in the top 5. All right? And some of these great people on the leaderboard, they use funnel systems too. They just invite people to a link and let the little video explain things. And then after the video's done, right below the video, there's usually a link that just says, hey, click here. Put your information in this little box, click, and you're going to get an email. We all have to do the same process. The end all be all. They got to get that little capture page where you put your info in and click. All right, but open up the Save Club email. And if you join the funnel system, remember it's $25. You do not have to do it. But if you feel like you're stalled a little bit and you're not in a team, I want you to look into this. The funnel is a game changer. A lot of people use it now. All right, so there you go, guys. You can use the official link, joinsaveclub.org, or go to saveclubfunnels.com, check out the funnel, watch that video, and no matter what, it's going to lead you back to join Save Club because you're going to join Save Club first, get the funnel second for $25. Watch the 10-minute video my friend Mike produced where you just set it up. Basically what you're doing is you set up Join Save Club, and then you put the information in the funnel and you hit save. It's very easy. It takes like 15 minutes. Okay? So there you go, guys. There's a badass business. Now let's go over the fees one more time. I'd love to talk the money part. That way you're not shocked. It's $79.97. So basically it's $80 to join Save Club as a member and as an affiliate. And then if you want the funnel, it's $25. So there's $105. If you want business cards like these red ones I make at Vista Print, they're about $22 for a big box. You'll probably won't even use them over a 2-year period. Okay, so just relax. For $100, you've got one hell of a business. This is by far the best business online right now in 2025. We're heading into summer. People want to save money, but you want to make money as well. All right, so please check into both of those links. Let me know if you need something. It's Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm not going anywhere. Email me anytime, day or night. I'll open up the emails, and usually I have a video that answers your questions, and it's usually about marketing. How do I get more of this? How do I get signups? How do I do this? How do I do that? Well, with the enormous amount of training from Save Club and our 2 teams through the funnel system, I can't imagine anything not being taken care of on your end. Okay, just think, God, what questions do I have? And if you have some that we've never thought of, awesome. Me or my team, we'll definitely make a video to answer your question and blast it out to everybody in our downlines. Because if you have a question about marketing, it means you're stuck right now. You're going to stall a little bit. You're going to lose your confidence, and you might quit just because you're like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. You're still going to be in Save Club to save money as a member. But guys, we hardly have any affiliates, and we have thousands of people signing up per day right now. Worldwide. We're going to Canada. We're going here in America. We're going to the UK, of course, Asia, Africa, worldwide, even down under to Australia. Our friends down there are working on their tans. Although it's winter right now, I just remembered. It's summer here in Utah, so that means it's winter in Australia. So, guys, I'm at the 10-minute mark. I want you to please just go to both those links, and I'm going to show you what they look like one more time. joinsaveclub.org. Watch that 6-minute video. I want you to get to know our founder, Charles. And then watch the 20-minute saveclubfunnels.com video, because if you like it, guess what? Other people are too. And for some reason, I've signed up about 60, 70 people with the funnel, and guess what? I get $20 per sign up, and that happens each month. I've made well over $1,000, $1,200 just with the funnel system alone. I'm making almost $1,000 a week just in Save Club, and I've saved over $900. I think today is about day number 50. I joined a little over a month ago during the pre-launch. But guess what? Today is June 17th. This whole entire company is only 17 days old. You know how new that is? And you're sitting here watching, you're way ahead of the curve. So I'm very excited for you. I sure hope you join. But please watch both of those links right below here, okay? And let me know what you think. And there's my email one last time. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay, guys. Thanks for your time. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And ask me any questions. I'm here to help you, okay? All right, take care, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.